Don, there's some things we want to talk to you about the weather. The temperatures
We're getting
are
it off our chest, John.
too hot.
Yeah, I wonder what that could be. That is true. The hottest day of the year, as a matter of fact. So, as we were talking earlier, it would be nice if this was the hottest day of the year. But it's just the hottest day of the year so far. So we are looking at a hot weekend ahead, and there is really no relief from the heat as we move forward into next week. In fact, there is an excessive heat warning that is in effect all the way through until Sunday for portions of northwestern sections of Arizona, Mojave County, and then around Las Vegas and southeastern portions of California. Temperatures along the Colorado River will be around 110 to 114 over the weekend, so it is going to be very, very warm. Now, if you are planning some outdoor activities, if you're going out and maybe going for a hike, we figure the average hike time is about 3 hours. So if you start at 7 o'clock, your return temperature is going to be around 90 degrees. So if you start at 10 o'clock after a 3-hour hike, your return temperature is going to be 100 degrees. So prepare for that. And if you start your hike at 1 o'clock, well, it's already going to be 100 when you start. So you may want to just not start or do that hike a little bit later in the day after the sun has lowered itself in the sky. All right, some numbers today. 111 for the afternoon high, 115 the record, 102 is normal. So we are well above normal. In fact, we're almost at the normal high temperature for the afternoon at 10 o'clock. 101 is the current temperature at Sky Harbor International Airport. High pressure is in complete control, and what we're looking at is a flow moving moisture and cooler air into New Mexico. Not so much Arizona. We are still under the influence of this big dome of air, and so we are still seeing that very hot air maintaining its presence here. We also, as I showed you earlier, had some gusty winds and lightning in and around the White Mountains. And again, there is a concern for some dry lightning that could have potentially led to some wildfires. Nothing reported, but it is something we're always going to be keeping an eye on from now through the rest of the summer. Still 100 degrees in Surprise, 99 in Ahwatukee, 100 in Scottsdale, 68 in Chinle. It is 99 at Bullhead City. And as far as the forecast lows for the night are concerned, we're looking at 47 cool degrees for Flagstaff. Highs tomorrow, Lake Havasu City, 117. 111 in Gila Bend. As I mentioned, we're going to be pretty warm in Phoenix. We're looking at a 110. So as far as the 7-day outlook is concerned, hot stuff Saturday and Sunday, 110 and 108, 107 on Monday, 108 Tuesday, Wednesday. Look at that, 111. So it's going to be hot then as well. So when we return from the break, we'll have some sports for you to talk about.